Hello everyone, today I'm going to be basically doing a tutorial video on how to get nice embedded messages like these. As you can see, I have embedded messages that have complete embeds with a apparently bot. It says bot, but it's not a bot, it's a widget, and you can name it whatever you like. And there's the actual links here that you can click. As you can see, it will take you to the different areas, and let's say Discord TOS. So how you make these is, as you can see, I made it in this channel as well. Basically, how you make these is you're using a website called Disco Hook. Now, I'm going to be using bHangout as a test server. I'm never going to make the server public, so don't ask me. But as you can see, I'm on Discord, Disco Hook. And when you first open this, you'll already have a few things filled in. Basically, what you're going to want to do is just click the clear all button, clear it all. And then you should just see this, Disco Hook, blah, blah, blah. Now, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go back to Discord once you have that open, and see find the channel you want to send an embed in. And I'm going to do bHangout. Click the cogwheel, go to integrations, create a webhook, name it whatever you like. Honestly, you don't really need to name it, but it's up to you. Copy the webhook URL, click eject. Do that. Paste it into the webhook URL here, and as you can see, it should pop up with your little webhook. Next, you're going to want to create a profile, just so it's not weird and it says SpideyBot. Instead, you can choose a username. So I would say, let's say bHangout. There you go. Now it says bHangout there. You can choose an avatar URL. You don't really need to do that, but it's up to you. Next, what you're going to want to do is you're going to see this button down here that says Add Embed here. You're going to want to click that. As you can see, when I click it, then you see this little box here that shows up. That's how you know there's an embed. Under Embed 1, you're going to want to go into here. And don't worry about the author thing. Go to body. You can make a title and everything, but first I would worry about the color. Here's where you can color it. Since bees are yellow, go like that, and then bring it down to the yellow. There you go. As you can see, now I have a yellow line. Now, you can add a title. So I'll just say bHangout info. There you go. As you can see, it has a nice bHangout info, and then you can say welcome to bHangout. So this is just going to be a little tester thing here. So as you can see, we have our bHangout info title, and we have welcome to the bHangout. So this is pretty cool. Okay, once you have that, now if you want to add a channel, let's say check out the rules here. Check out the rules in. And then you're gonna want to do this hashtag, and then you're gonna want to go back to Discord, and as you can see here for rules, you're gonna right click and copy ID. Then you're gonna want to go back to Disco Hook, paste that, and as you can see, it says channel. In Discord, it'll just show the name of the channel. So then, once you have that done, you can go here, there, and there you go. Oh. And then now you have the channel. It's kind of the same thing for roles as well. I'll just show you how to do roles. So you do this, and then you do and then you go back to Discord, and you go into server settings, roles, and then I'm gonna do B King. So basically, you click it, copy ID, get out of Discord, and then go here after the and, Control V to paste, and there you go, you got the role. But since we don't want to roll there anymore, we can do that later. Alright. Next, if you want to say, let's say, add a link here, a hyperlink, let's say, Roblox TOS. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put square brackets around this area, and then circular brackets, no space in between. And then once you have that, you're going to want to exit out, and then you're going to want to find the link for that thing. As you can see, I'm going on Roblox and then terms. Then you're going to want to copy this URL, Control C, go back to Disco Hook, and in these little circular brackets, paste it, and as you can see, now it shows up with a link. That's pretty cool. But if you want to make it look even more clean, let's say you want to make it look even more clean, then you're going to go to fields, you're going to click add field, you can name it and links, important links, and then you can put a colon if you don't want to, it's okay. And then you can do Roblox TOS. TOS, by the way, means terms of service, if you don't know that. And then paste in the link again, and then there you go. It looks just a little bit cleaner. As you can see, it says links. You can inline it if you want. Basically what inline means is that if you make another field, it'll show up next to it. Well, if you don't inline it, then if you make another field, it'll go under it. And I meant to say field, but whatever. Anyways, so I'll keep it at that. And so that's basically how you make a pretty simple one. Now you can make them, and honestly, I would name your the little bot thing to be your server name, and then let's say info, since this is info, so that people can be like, oh yeah, this is the server bot, and this is the info thing. Now, if it's not allowing you to copy any of these things, like it's not showing copy ID, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to go to your profile. So you're gonna want to go to profile, and then you're gonna want to go to advanced. You're gonna want to click in. You're gonna want to make sure developer mode is on, and then if developer mode is on, then you should see copy ID. In messages, you should be able to copy the ID of messages as well, and roles and everything. So yeah, just to show you that this works, I'm gonna click send, and then as you can see right there, we have the little embed that we have. Now you can delete it and resend it and everything. And now if you want to, let's say you want to save the embed. and because you gotta go somewhere, but you don't want this embed to go away, so you can edit it later. You're gonna want to click backups. You're gonna click backup name. I'm gonna say B Hangout. You can name it whatever you want. Hang out. And then you're gonna click save, and it should say B Hangout. And let's say I close the tab, go back here, backups, B Hangout, load, B Hangout, and there you go. As you can see, I loaded the B Hangout. Now, if you want to delete a backup, you can go to these three dots and delete. Delete. Close, there you go. It should be gone forever. And as you can see, it doesn't say anything here. Now, that is basically how you make a little embed. Anyways, I will link a link to this website down below, as well as a link to my Roblox group and Discord server, and also and in my Discord server you can see these nice embeds in action, and possibly get some inspiration on what you want your embed to look like. Anyways, hope everyone did enjoy this video. If you did, please leave a like. If you enjoy this type of content, please subscribe. Bye.